So best way is to just, obviously you can't see it, you just have to feel it, and you have to just push these in whilst pulling out, okay? And this is all the wire that I have to play with. You see that there? See how it's not even connected to anything? This red one. Will be why my window's not working. Right, so he's obviously snapped off from him.
Indigo Production.
Welcome back to the video. So my window started to stop working, right? So I think I know what it is, right? So my window stopped working, it stopped going down. So what I'm doing here, I think I know what it is, but it'll be one of the wires over here that'll be just chopped up, and I want to see which one it is, okay? So to remove the door card, it's pretty much, you take off this silver bit with a trim removal tool, off, yeah, and then you'll have a T30 in there, no, T25 in there, T25 in there, and a T20 right down here, okay? Then once that's off, you just straight out, yeah, and then you're gonna have the door, right? This, see, that's the, zoom in there, this bit sits right there. So what you do, you just pull that off and then unhook it, then you unclip this from there, then the door card's off, right? So now we're over here, Sadiq, okay? You gotta take your speaker off, which is a T20. One there, one there, and then unclip it, just like that, push it in, out, one at the bottom, once that's out, yeah, you're gonna have this wire here, right? See this, Sadiq? I'll show you what I mean. What I'm doing here, I'm pushing in the plastic panel. Oh, fucking hell. It's very fidgety, very annoying as well. What I'm doing, pushing in the panel from behind. Leave it down. Help me. In. Okay. Right, there we go. That's all that. So see here, get a zoom in here, Sadiq. What I'm doing, I push in this. See that? The tabs, right? You seeing that, Sadiq? Yeah. But they have the tabs on that side, that side, that side, and that side. So best way is to just, obviously you can't see it, you just have to feel it, and you have to just push these in whilst pulling out, okay? And this is all the wire that I have to play with. And now this bit here, you just use a trim removal tool. You get out here, you should clip out here like that. It's just plastic things holding this one, and same on the other side, it'll have it. But just work with your hand, get the other side. Oh shit, that was really nice. It's just the other side. Come on, click. Right, you see that there? See how it's not even connected to anything? And see, let me pull it back. Pull it back. Right, see, get a zoom in here so that you see how some of them are just cut up. You seen that? Yeah, semi? Yeah? They're just all cut up, and this one here is just lost in there somewhere. So I have to open this up and try and find it. To remove this, there's going to be a tab on the other side. I'll show you what that tab looks like. So best way to do this is just grab the wires. Grab the wires like that, pull the tab towards you, and it'll come out. See that tab there? Just that. Seeing that, Sadiq? Yeah. Just that tab. Pull that towards you. So this one's been snapped off. I think the rest of them are alright, but yeah, now I have to let me just think here now. Best way to do this. Yeah, I don't want to unpin them. I have to fucking hell, it's wet, isn't it? Yeah, I have to open all this. To find that red one. See, the red one's here. See that? He's here, but he's clearly just snapped off there. Yeah, I've got to find him. Just gaffer tape him together. Ah, you bastard. That's all I got to play with this. Right. This red one. Will be why my window's not working. Right, so he's obviously snapped off from him, so now I need to just like feed him in to reconnect it to that. Oh. Right, see him there? There she go. Right, that there, that there. Right, the thing is, these wires now, it's a bit short. Thinking here, best way. How's it looking, see? Who's winning? The what? Of course it is, bro. You get paid to do this. Oh, shall we take a thumbnail here? Quick time, one time. Scooty back. So, can you see this now, Sadiq? Can you get a zoom in of that? Some of that is just fading away. Can you see it? Yeah. And then some of this one. What I'm gonna do to these ones, because they're not broken, just put some duct tape over them. And but this one here is completely snapped off. Which now I've cut a bit off it. Which means this, they're all going to stress like this. Which, I just need to hide these wires back there, it'll be alright. So that's why I'm opening more of this, so that red one can freely just chill. Because all this is going to get tucked back in there anyway. Right. see what I'm doing here, Zadi? Now, there's no current in this because there's no electricity from the battery going to this, so it'll be okay. Dirty bastard. More cutting, Zadi. So what I'm doing, I'm just cutting it like this, and then see, I got a gap in between my teeth, so whenever it comes to wires, it just sucks straight off. I'll show you what I mean. I just need to cut this a bit more. Alright, I'll put that in my gap. See that? Like that, beautiful, right? Now same with the other side, and then that. I'm going to wrap that up. So he needs to join with him, but obviously I don't have any real crimpets or stuff like that. So all I'm going to do, the reason why I put him closer to here is because when he's there, it's not going to be much play. If you join it like here, this bit always moves around, you know what I mean, just like that. But if you lock him up here with that, it won't move that much, but obviously I don't have the real like crimpets or nothing like that. So what I have to do is just force everything out of that. Red one. Alright, bang bang, maybe more on that. Maybe more wire on that. You know what I mean? So you get. You went into the you dirty bastard. Alright, so you need to lock him with him. Crush it all together. And then run some gaffer tape over that. Because just check it, just pull it. Secure, yeah? Then run some tape over that and then lock up all the other ones that have some cuts in them like that. Yeah? And then you just put it back together. The only hardest thing is hardest thing here is trying to find that tab that'll just be behind it. Or it might even be on this side, depending on if your car's in Europe, then if your steering wheel's on that side, then it'll be in the front. It's weird. I don't know how it works. But yeah, unlocking this one's quite awkward. It's a bit of a shit hours to rerun. But yeah, other than that, now just gaffer tape it together. Yeah? Alright. Don't tighten it yet. Don't tighten it with the teeth fittings yet. You need to check if it works. So now, see, the thing is, for me, it was the window. For you, it might be something else. Maybe your speaker just stops working, and then you replace the speaker, and then it still doesn't work. It'll be one of your wires in there. This wire, this thing here, it's not. It semi is a common issue, but the thing is, it's on older cars. On newer cars, obviously, it's not going to be an issue that much. But if your car's older, obviously, depends how many times you open and close your doors, and obviously, over the years, it's going to keep on wearing and tearing, and then it's like the wire just keeps on bending. And see, some of them, they weren't fully broken, but they were getting there, so I just put some tape over them. So best thing to do, if something ever stops working on this side, maybe your locks thingy here, or your speaker, or maybe your window's going down, or maybe you're moving that knob there, open this up and then just check that, because something here will be snapped. If your car's newer, like 2012, 2013, then maybe you won't have this issue. For older car, like mine's 2007, the car's like 2005, 2006, 2008, something like that, then just check this. Yeah, it's a bit tricky. Obviously, I don't have the soldering tool, so I didn't solder it. I just joined it together and thingy. Well, it'll fix for now. Now I can at least open my door. I mean, open my window. So yeah, that's just a cheeky little one there. So now I just tighten it all up to thingy. See, the thing is, doing a door card removal, and there's no point in me doing a video on that. It is literally, you take the silver panel off, yeah, one screw there, one at the bottom, the whole thing will just come off. That's how easy it is. Right, I shall see you now in the next one. Okay? Bye bye.